My name is Teye, and I am the co-founder and designer of Teye Guitars. I'm a guitar player, and I've been playing rock and roll music in many bands for many years. But my real passion has always been the flamenco. Ever since I was a little boy, I've been fascinated by the guitar. Next to playing the guitars, I've always been building and customizing them, and that really became my passion. My journey started in Austin, Texas, where I chased my dream to create the perfect guitar. These days, I have the privilege of doing most of my work in Sevilla. Sevilla is well known for its beautiful Moorish architecture. I get a tremendous amount of inspiration from that. One of the things I really love to do is just walk through the city, really come to rest and soak in the beauty that is simply everywhere. Looking at the shapes and symbols in the architecture, I get new ideas for designing guitars. A guitar is not just a plank with pickups and strings. My guitars are built from scratch, and every single part is carefully selected and crafted. From the type of wood I use to the finishing touch I apply. I cut, I route, and I engrave with a rotary tool. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks to fully hand engrave all the parts for a guitar. It is fantastic work to do. The movements I make when I am engraving are derived strongly from flamenco dance. I cannot engrave just straight lines as if I was a robot. The lines will come out correctly, but not beautifully. I exaggerate all my movements as if the Dremel tool was dancing into the aluminum. Now I am building guitars to see these guitars land in the hands of my heroes, people like Mick Taylor, Cliff Williams, and Joan Jett, to see their faces light up when they receive their new Teye guitar. That is an incredible feeling and a dream come true.